Welcome to Houseplans Model 614, a sleek 614 square foot tiny home designed for the Florida lifestyle with a total area of 704 square feet, including a 90 square foot covered porch. This efficient layout features one bedroom and one bathroom, ideal for individuals or couples seeking simplicity and style. The open living area flows into a well-equipped kitchen, while the spacious bedroom offers a private haven. Enjoy the outdoors on the inviting covered porch. Your purchase includes detailed floor plans, elevations, general notes, and more, all adhering to the Florida Building Code. And if you wish to add personal touches, customization is available for an additional fee, ensuring that your new home is as unique as your dreams. Plans come ready for permitting, signed and sealed by a licensed professional engineer. House Plans. Model 614 isn't just a space to live, it's a space to thrive. It's designed for those who value efficiency and quality in their living environment. Begin the journey to your new home today and discover the possibilities that await with Model 614.